Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix apps crashing or forced closing on your SAMSUNG Galaxy A27. So first, if one of the apps is automatically closing on you or crashing, what you guys want to do first is clean the basically the storage. So what are we gonna do is I'm gonna choose an app because every app works for me just fine. I'm gonna choose the camera app, and as you guys can see, it is somehow working. But what are we gonna do here is we're gonna go to settings. Now we want to go to apps, and here in your apps we need to find an app that is crashing for us. So I chose camera for a reason, because I know that the cache and the data is just collecting here. What are we gonna do is we're gonna click on our app. We're gonna scroll down until we see the usage section, and we're gonna tap on storage. Here in storage, what are we gonna do is first we're gonna clear the cache, and now the cache is gone. Now we're gonna clear the data. We're gonna click delete, and what are we gonna do next is we're simply gonna turn it back on. So this type of restart or basically fix is really common. Now everything will be back to what it was for the first time when you open up the app. And what are we gonna do next is we're simply gonna update our software as a last resort, because it also can fix a lot of apps crashing. So we all knew that Play Store had some issues with the crashes, and the recent updates fixed it. So we want to make sure that if we click on software update right at the bottom right here, if we click check for updates, we want to make sure that everything works just fine, that our software is up to date. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.